Okay, so here's the deal. I decided to create this video because I'm bored and I have nothing better to do, and obviously it's not going that great so far. Well, that's somebody else's opinion, mainly my opinion. But I decided that I'm going to create this video for anybody that needs to know how to do anything, because basically you can do anything you want to do with just a little hard work. So I'm going to start with something simple, I guess. And I understand that this is real vague, so just grab any pen that you want. I mean, like just any pen, you know. Okay. Anything will work. So let's just go with your random, what we draw. We'll draw a sun. Okay. Say you want to draw the sun, like a basic how-to of drawing the sun. Okay. First, you're going to draw a triangle, right? That seems about right? I don't think this pen shows up very well. So let's try another one. Okay. We'll try another one with a... This is a yellow, right? Yeah, close to a yellow. Okay. So we're going to draw a sun by just simply drawing a triangle. See how that easy is? Which is a little hard work. You got a triangle. Okay. And then, you don't want to use the same color because that doesn't make any sense. It still doesn't show up that well. There we go. Okay. There's your sun. And then let's just go, you'll just make a couple marks like that. And you have a sun. Right? That looks like a sun. Right? That looks like a sun? Yeah. Definitely looks like a sun. Okay. I know you probably are thinking, well, I'm not really looking to draw a sun. I'm kind of thinking I want to draw something a little harder. So let's draw a tree. Okay. Let's use the same piece of paper, so we'll go right next to the sun. Okay. And your simple tree outline is going to go like this. It's going to have a base down here, and then it's going to go like this. And it's going to go. That seems about right for a tree, right? That's a tree? Yeah, that's a tree. Yeah, that is definitely a tree. That's a really good tree. Now, if you want to make it an even better tree, we can add some accents, like some apples, anything. So just get any red pen that you want, okay? Red pen. And you're just going to draw some apples. That's definitely an apple there. We'll draw another apple right there. Another one right there. And then you got an apple tree. Okay. Now, if those weren't simple enough, we are going to go a little harder. We're going to draw a house. Now, the house is probably the hardest thing to learn, so pay attention very quickly. A house we'll go with, we're just going to, any old color. Just your basic shades, something, I guess, that we can see, because I obviously am not using the right colors for anybody to see. Okay. So, here's our sun and our tree, and now we're going to draw a house. Okay. I can hold it up for like this for you guys because I know how to draw a house now. So, we're going to draw the base of its house first. Let's see. Okay, that's basically going to be a circle, basically, is that circle. And then it needs a roof. So let's do an A-frame roof, right? Okay. And let's put a chimney on it. And some smoke coming out of the chimney. And that's a house, right? With the smoke coming out of the chimney. You guys see how we did that? Yeah, that's cool. Okay. So, basically, that's that. Now, maybe you're not here for a how-to on how to drawing. That's okay. How to draw. Well, obviously, I don't know how to say things correctly, so I figured we'd go to makeup next. Okay. So, we're just gonna do eyeshadow because I know it's like a real huge thing nowadays, is doing eyeshadow. And so I went ahead and I just got this at the store. And that's a lie, I got it on Amazon. Okay. And we just don't need to prime it off. Like, if you know how your eyes are, you won't need to prime it off. And I'm just going to take this wand brush See? So like a wand or whatever. And I'm going to get a base color. And I'm going to tap my brush. Let's go with blue. I'm just going to tap my brush like this. Just so you get as much on there as possible. Because you can never not have enough. Okay? Well, this is not the best blue in the world, is it? No. Okay. And then you're just going to do your base color, right? Like that. Okay? That looks about right, right? Yeah. Okay. You see? Let me zoom in. Looks good. Pretty, yeah? Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, now you're going to use the same shade that we just used. Okay. And you would normally tap your brush, but I would say no, only because we really want to get that beautiful glam look that all the girls are doing these days. And you're just going to, once again, you'll just go like that. Super sweet, dude. Super sweet. I just know. Like right now. Yeah, that's about looking right, right? They look, my eyes, they look about right. Yeah. Hey, I did that pretty right. Okay. You're not going to use the same brush unless you want to, then screw up your makeup. That's fine. Do whatever you want to do. I'm not here to tell you what to do. Okay. I'm just here to show you how you're supposed to do things, not, I mean, if you guys want to do your things your own way, then you won't be here, right? Okay, so next, you really, really, really want to pack that pigment onto the lid of your eye, right? So we're going to do an even, let's go with something that goes really good with blue, right? And that would be, I think maybe this orange shade. Yeah, let's just go with that. And tap your brush in there as much as you can, because you can never have enough of anything, right? Okay. And let me show you maybe closer up how we'll do this. Okay, and now you're just going to, like that. You see? Just like that. Oh, I don't think we have enough on there. Okay. Oh my god, I can't wait to see what this look is going to look like. I mean, yeah, that's about right. Okay. Now I'm going to set us back down here for a second. So we've gotten up close. And now let's do the other eye. Well, it's not matching the other one exactly, so let's get it. Maybe I'm not holding my brush right. No, we're holding the brush right. Trust me. You'll never have to know how to do anything ever again after watching these videos. Now that is pretty sweet, guys. We're just going to add one more final layer to it, okay? You just don't even need to use a brush. We'll just use our fingers, and we will go... Ooh, that green color looks great. Look at that one right there. Okay. Now let's take our finger. Oh my god, this is looking awesome. Wow. Okay, now if you're not liking it the way it is, just go ahead and blend it a little bit. Remember, open your mouth. And there you go. I think that's beautiful. Now it's a how to do your makeup just like the stars do them. Okay, so we're going to end this video with a jingle. And this is how you do a jingle. Okay, so we will do, thanks for stopping by. This tutorial was fun. Please come back again if you want to know how to do things right. Right? That was wonderful. I think I should be signed. Yeah. No. Okay. Well, that's the end of this one. Thank you. Bye.